Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the left armrest of the Green Soul Superb office chair. If your armrest is broken, loose, or damaged, don't worry. The replacement is quick and can be done at home with just a few basic tools. Let's get started. The chair was still under warranty, so I raised a support request and they sent me a replacement armrest. Let's unbox it. This is the replacement left armrest I received from Green Soul. Slightly turn the chair to ensure easy access to the armrest screws. This will make removing the old armrest and installing the replacement much easier. You'll need an Allen key to loosen and remove the screws that securely hold the armrest in place. Turn each screw counterclockwise until it's completely removed. Keep the screws in a safe place as you'll need them to install the replacement armrest. Support the armrest with one hand while removing the final screw to prevent it from falling. With all the mounting screws removed, the old armrest should come off easily. Gently lift it away from the chair and set it aside. Take the new left armrest and position it in the correct location on the chair. Carefully align the mounting holes on the armrest with the threaded holes on the chair seat. Once everything is properly aligned, insert each screw by hand and tighten it a few turns. This helps ensure the screws are correctly threaded and prevents cross-threading before you fully tighten them with the Allen key. Do not fully tighten any of the screws until all of them have been inserted and are in place. This allows you to make small adjustments and ensures the armrest is properly aligned with the chair. Once all the screws are fitted and the armrest is positioned correctly, use the Allen key to tighten each screw evenly in turns. Avoid tightening one screw completely before the others. Finally, tighten all the screws securely, but do not over-tighten them as excessive force can damage the screw threads or the mounting points. The replacement is now complete and the new armrest is securely fixed with no wobbling or movement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product reviews and do-it-yourself repair videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.